What's going on YouTube? It's your boy TommieGunz, and we back at it again. This time we have an Olight PL-Mini Valkyrie 2 unboxing. First and foremost, I just want to thank Olight for reaching out and wanted to do a collaboration with TommieGunz. Send you guys this Olight, this mini Valkyrie, and we're gonna get it unboxed and put it on one of these firearms that I got. I don't know which one exactly because it fits a lot of them. So let's get it unboxed. So we back in, we got the Olight PL-Mini Valkyrie 2. Let's get a quick look at the box. We got here, it says max 600 lumens, 100 meter throw. This side, nothing. Lifetime warranty. Nothing. All right, let's get it open. You get your usual books, put it to the side. Then you get this. Says, thank you for being a part of our Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy, Olight team. All right, nothing else in the box. Get out of here. We got the light itself. You flip over. Okay, nothing else. Get out. Then we got the charging cable because there's no internal battery. It's rechargeable. And then you get the Allen wrench key tool, another little safety warnings. Get out of here. And then this right here. Now, this is very important. We're not going to chuck this, but you got to go. This is very important. Now, this is, if you go on their website, I'll drop the link down below exactly where you can find this at. Now, this is important. Inside, I already had made the switch for the Glock. This is for the Glocks. Well, specifically, my Glock 45 in my West. I can run this on plenty of other Glocks. This is for the other firearms that you can use for this. For example, I've already put this on my Springfield Echelon, and then there's numerous amounts of different other firearms. You're gonna have to go directly on their website to see exactly what it fits, but 90% of the time, it's gonna fit majority of your firearms. Except for if you have the slimline Glock 43X MOS. I haven't tried it, but on their website, it says it can't fit. Now, put that to the side, put this to the side, that to the side. This little light is bright, man. It's a bright little light. Press it once, the light stays on. Have it pressed. Then as soon as you take your hand off, the light goes off. So let's grab a firearm here. Let's grab this PSA, this dagger. One of my little babies, man. One of my firearms I said do not get enough love at the moment. But there's no mag in. There's no round in the chamber. We are clear. Let's get this light on. So first things first, you just want to open this little lever here. Slide it on. You want to go right. Come on. Right there. And you want to clamp it down, and she's on. I've already went and fired with this thing on. It don't come off, it don't bulge, it don't do none of that. What I really do like about this light that none of the other lights have, you can flip this lever, right? And then you can adjust this. So say for instance, if you're a guy with big hands and you don't want to see how my hand is right there next to the trigger well. And if you don't want this all the way back, you can take it and adjust it to there. Clamp it down. I really like that. I wish some of my other lights had that little mechanism right there because I think that is really, really smart, man. That's really, really key. And then another thing that I like that's Olight's doing, man, you don't have to take, you don't have to take the battery out and charge the battery. Now, there is some lights that you can replace batteries, but pretty much all the new string lights that they're making, you got to charge the battery. Now I'm not comparing and saying this Olight is better than string light, but I'm just saying I really do like the fact that you can just, set this charger up on your nightstand, right? And just like how you plug your phone in and all of that stuff, you'll have this plugged in like into the base charger and just, oh, I want to charge my EDC. Boom, That's really, really nice. I like that, man. I really, really like that. Now my next test, I'm gonna do this off camera. I'm gonna see how long I can go on a full charge. So I'm gonna charge it all the way up, and then I'm gonna see how long I can go on a full charge. I predict it can go a good bit of ways, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get back with you guys. I will drop the link to this directly to this Olight Mini Valkyrie in the description box below. Let's get this off and put it on another one of my Glocks. So to get this off, you just simply, that's locked. Just simply open that up, push it, take it off. So let's get this light on the Glock 45 MOS. She is clear, no mag. She is clear. Like I said, just take it, slide down, and it fits just like so. This is a really nice light, man. So far, I really recommend this. Something slim, something, unique that I would say. I really like that. I really like that. So, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and test this thing, see how long it'll go on a full charge. That'll be up in my next video. Just something a little simple, little unboxing of the Olight PL-Mini 2 Valkyrie. Hey guys, I just want to, give you guys a special shout out and thanks, man, because you guys are making this possible for me. There's definitely a lot of people out there watching, man. So I just want to thank you guys, give you guys some credit, give you guys some props, man. Again, shout out to Olight for reaching out and sending me this to basically do a review on. Remember, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next video. Peace.